History was made in the ancient city of Ijebu Ode when Otumba Adekunle Ogunade was installed as the new Apebi of Ijebu Ode. The epic making event has in attendance sons and daughters of Ijebu land, as well as other dignitaries from far and near. Correspondence was at the ceremony and files in the report.
Adekunle, do solemnly swear. Do solemnly swear.
That was the new Apebi of Ijebu Ode, Otumba Adekunle Ogunade, taking the oath of office and allegiance in the ancient Ijebu cultural and traditional way. He was thereafter presented to the members of Awujale Interregnum Advisory Council, headed by Ogbeni Oja, Olorogun Sonikuku, and also to the head of Ilamure Olisa Abdurrashid Adesanya. Otumba Ogunade was later handed over the staff of office as the new Apebi of Ijebu Ode in the presence of family, friends, and other well-wishers at the palace of Awujale. The newly installed Apebi gave his deep understanding of the kingdom's rich traditions and culture, reaffirmed his commitment to preserving the cultural heritage of Ijebu land, adding that he is determined to join hands with the Awujale Interregnum Council and other traditional chiefs in the development of the ancient town. Otumba Ogunade also promised to promote unity and peace, coexistence among the various tribes residing in Ijebu Ode, the ancient town.
In Apebi now, I'll be more prominent in saying that Ijebu, especially Ijebu Ode, will be economically viable and provide employment opportunities for young people.
Reacting to the candidacy of Otumba Adekunle Ogunade as the new Apebi of Ijebu Kingdom, Ogbeni Oja, Dr. Fasi Yusuf and other dignitaries said he deserved the title due to his antecedents and relationship with others. They advised him to tread gently, especially with his sensitive position, and work alongside other chiefs for the betterment of Ijebu land. His children, well-wishers, and other dignitaries, while congratulating the newly installed Apebi, spoke more about Otumba Ogunade.
The first step was to ask the family to produce a candidate. So they are going to nominate for us this next step, and then we elect. So this is a very important step. Without it, there is no coronation.
My advice to them is that they have to obey the tradition and make sure that they cooperate with all the traditional chiefs that are going to install the next Awujale.
They have their own role that they will play. So we have to install them before the Awujale comes in.
It's to uphold our tradition, our culture, our ideas.
This symbolic event marked the formal recognition of Otumba Adekunle Ogunade leadership role in the kingdom. Thereafter, guests were entertained at a reception held in his honor in Ijebu Ode. Fatima Hassan, NTA News.